My name is Mike Bessel. I'm the SA1 Project Manager for University of Wales Trinity St David, and I'm overseeing the SA1 Swansea Waterfront project on behalf of the university. One of the university's key aims is to transform education and to transform lives. Working very closely with Kier, we undertook a competitive recruitment process. A significant number of students had the opportunity to be interviewed by a contractor, which gives them excellent experience. 3 students were lucky enough to be offered a role. This is a huge project for the university. It's a huge investment, and it's got potential to be a very transformational project given the fantastic location you've got.
Hi, my name's Rhys Williams. I'm currently studying for a degree in Project Construction Management in the University of Wales Trinity St David. I'm currently working at Kier as a trainee planner and design manager. What excites me about this role is that it's a unique opportunity that's been developed by Kier of the 2 roles, planning and design management, where I see the project go from pre-construction through to its completion.
My name is Neil James. I'm currently studying Project and Construction Management in the University of Wales Trinity St David's, and I'm the Trainee Facilities Manager with Whitehead's Building Services on the new university site on the SA1 waterfront. Once the project is complete, I will then take the building over, employed by the University of Wales Trinity St David's as the Facilities Manager of the new building. I don't feel I'd get the experience of working on a live project and then taking the project over would happen anywhere else. It's invaluable experience to my future career.
It is apparent through Kier that they seem both committed to the training and development of new members of staff, in particular the skills and the opportunities that the undergraduate students from the university get in is fantastic and should give them a wonderful career going forward.